Alright, I'm out in the garage here and I'm trying to get some projects knocked out on this SVT Focus of mine. The ignition components that came with the car are kind of unknown history, don't know how old, but they look pretty old. We'll get this project knocked out, do a little tune-up tonight. Alright, so I got the plug wires all off of here. You can just tear those off, no point in keeping track of anything here. And then you just grab on this connector on the bottom, there's a little wire, and you push up, and then you can pull that thing right off of there. See how this works? You just push right like that, and it comes right off. Then there's 4 screws around the outside that hold the actual coil to the bracket. They're little star screws. Alright, so now with the 4 screws out, you can see where they'd be, 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one was broken off of there. This coil's been kind of beat up, but you can see here the numbers for the certain cylinders. So like this post right here is number 1 and 3 and so on and so forth. So it's kind of a slick little unit. You don't really even have to keep track of anything. You just take it out and put the new one in. So this is the new coil that I have here, DG536, and so I just ordered it off of I think it was Amazon or Summit, I don't remember. But anyway, you can see there's the new coil, same deal, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's all marked nice and easily, and same plugs. We'll get this installed with the 4 screws and then we'll get to our plug wires. So with all the spark plug business out of the way, we can get to the spark plug wires. I bought this NGK set. The number is RCFDZ070. Pretty basic stuff here. You just got 4 plug wires, they're all different lengths, and we'll get this thing set up. Alright, so how you do this is this cylinder right here is number 1, 2, 3, and 4, so on. And then also here you can see the numbers again. So it's pretty basic. I start with the furthest one away, so start with 1 to 1, and then 2 to 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, so on and so forth, and get them all laid in there real nice. Alright, well don't forget your dielectric grease here, but that goes on the inside of the boots on this end. So get those all laid in and sitting, halfway decent. And then before I put the spark plug cover on, I'm actually going to start the rig up, make sure it doesn't have a misfire or anything goofy. Well, it just started up real nice and idled real sweet for what this car is, and so anyway, I think that's a good improvement. Might have gotten rid of a little bit of a rough idle there. Hard to say, but definitely one of those easy, quick deals that you can do. Tune up your car, get it running right, and easy job to knock out for your Ford Focus. Thanks for watching.